A new immigration policy memo from the Trump administration is causing a lot of confusion tonight. On the surface, it appears to be ordering people applying for green cards to return to their home countries to continue the process. But an immigration attorney tells us that is not necessarily the case. Maria Aguilera is turning to the experts for some context tonight. Maria?
Yeah, Mia, a lot of the confusion is coming from how this immigration memo was announced. Now, federal officials say green card cases filed in the U.S. could face tougher review, but the immigration attorney I spoke with says it may not be changing the process as much as people think.
A new immigration memo is causing confusion and concern. In a press release, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, which handles legal immigration applications, says adjustments of status or applying for a green card should be treated as an extraordinary form of relief, and that people applying may have to leave the country.
And have had calls from our clients. Everybody's really concerned about this.
Immigration attorney Raid Gonzalez says the memo itself doesn't change the law, but it tells officers to take a closer look at each case.
It is not really about denying adjustment of status to those that overstay their visas. It's basically saying that the officers have to consider everything that they have in front of them.
The actual memo states adjustment of status is a matter of discretion. Gonzalez says this has always been the case under immigration law. We reached out to USCIS for clarification. In a statement sent to KHOU 11, it says in part, after years of ignoring the intent of Congress in the adjustment of status application, USCIS is merely restating and reasserting that intent, adding that some applicants will likely be able to continue on their current path, while others may be asked to apply abroad depending on individualized circumstances. Gonzalez says the memo could still lead to stricter reviews and longer processing times under the Trump administration.
Ultimately, the attorney I spoke with says the memo is a reminder to officers about how to review immigration applications and decide on a case-by-case basis. Now, he also says he expects legal challenges if the government tries to deny adjustment of status applications in ways that conflict with federal immigration law. Now, his advice, if you're going through the process, get an attorney to guide you. Mia?
Appreciate the breakdown and the details. Maria Aguilera, thank you.